Hello friends, welcome everyone. So today we are going to discuss how we can bring back the taskbar from the AutoCAD Civil 3D like applications. So here, no, the taskbar is seen, all the tasks are disappeared. So there is easy way to bring back all these taskbars options. So let's move forward. So first, we'll go to the file, then we'll select the options, and in the options we'll go to the profile sections, and in profile we can see the different three options, so we have to reset them all. So selecting individual, we can reset, yes, and it's so the hidden taskbar or the previously disappeared taskbar, it appeared. So like this we can reset our all the options. Thank you.